Another good flow today. Monsoon helped. It all starts here, in the rubber plantations. How much you got so far?
Almost 2 liters already.
Every drop of this natural latex will eventually become part of a premium chocolate-flavored brown condom. Hundreds of skilled tappers harvest this precious sap every single day.
This batch is strong, perfect for condoms.
Only the highest quality latex makes it to the factory for chocolate-flavored brown condoms. Easy now.
Don't spill any. Narrator.
The day's harvest is carefully collected before the heat of the day can spoil it.
That trip comment. Transcription. From tree to barrel, every liter is tracked on its journey.
Good weight, 185 kilos today. Better than yesterday.
One more. Lift. Good.
Now the raw material begins its journey to the modern factory. Hundreds of kilometers away, the transformation into chocolate-flavored brown condoms will begin.
Morning batch arriving.
The raw latex has arrived, and the factory now takes over to create chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Back it up a bit more, good. Morning delivery, let's get these sampled quick. Heavy one, easy does it. Smells fresh, good batch. Looks clean, no clots. Passing initial check, send it inside.
Start the pump, slow at first. Tank 3 at 22 degrees, perfect. Log it for morning shift.
Viscosity 45 centipoise, good range. Green light for compounding.
Flow rate steady, transferring now.
Add the vulcanizer now.
Mix for 30 minutes.
Batch compounding initiated, looking smooth.
Transcription. Compound ready. Line is primed.
Start the chain.
This state-of-the-art facility turns raw latex into perfectly formed chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Morning, ready for the chocolate batch? All set.
Strict protocols ensure zero contamination as we prepare to form chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
New molds loaded yet?
Just finished.
Here, precision formers will be coated to create the signature shape of chocolate-flavored brown condoms. Water temp holding at 65 degrees Celsius. Clean as new.
Every former is spotlessly cleaned before receiving.
Dry zone complete, ready for coagulant.
Perfect dryness is critical before the first chemical layer for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Coagulant level good. Uniform coating.
The coagulant prepares the surface so latex will adhere evenly for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
The defining moment arrives. The latex dip that shapes each chocolate-flavored brown condom.
Thickness looking perfect, 0.08 millimeters already.
This first dip lays the foundation layer for strong, flexible chocolate-flavored brown condoms. Precision beading and multiple dips build the reliable strength of chocolate-flavored brown condoms. Rinse cycle 1 complete, looking clean.
Temp steady at 40 degrees Celsius.
Initial rinsing removes surface chemicals.
Leach time 8 minutes. Protein levels dropping nicely.
Leaching ensures low extractables, making chocolate-flavored brown condoms gentle on the skin. Moisture content below 0.5%. Perfect set. Purity is confirmed before the condoms are removed from their formers.
Bead loose. Ready to roll off.
Careful stripping begins the release of each perfectly formed chocolate-flavored brown condom.
Release rate 98%. Very clean strip today.
The formed condoms are gently removed, ready for initial sorting as chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Trained eyes catch any imperfections early in the journey of chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Pneumatic transfer moves them efficiently toward the specialized flavor and color stages for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Batch 5,000 counted, quality hold good.
Accurate counting ensures every batch of chocolate-flavored brown condoms meets production targets.
Batch entering coating line. Flavor compound ready. Set spray pressure to 2.5 bar.
Aroma concentration stable. 15-second soak, perfect.
Brown tint even across batch. Opacity at 15% as spec.
Looks just like dark chocolate. A precise brown coating delivers the visual appeal.
Transcription. Cure time 90 seconds bid. Color stable, no bleeding.
Heat and light lock in the deep brown shade.
Lube viscosity good. Internal coating uniform. Smooth, scented lubricant is applied inside for enhanced comfort in chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
External lube at 50 milligrams per unit. Smooth finish confirmed.
Aroma score 92 out of 100. Batch approved. Samples confirm the chocolate flavor strength meets premium standards for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Batch 47 complete, transferring to finishing.
Fully flavored, colored, and lubricated condoms are grouped for precision finishing as chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
The core processing complete. Now precision finishing ensures every chocolate-flavored brown condom is flawless.
Drying complete. No residue. Aroma locked in.
The subtle chocolate essence is sealed before the next layer of transformation for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Batch 47 scanned. Loading to tester 4.
All systems green.
The main transformation stage ensures every chocolate-flavored brown condom is electronically flawless.
Unrolling smooth. No tangles on this batch. Each condom is carefully unrolled to expose every millimeter for rigorous integrity testing.
Reject rate 0.02%. Excellent quality today. Advanced spark testing guarantees 0 defects in chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Burst at 2.4 kappa. Well within spec. Periodic burst tests confirm the elastic strength required for reliable chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Rolling tension set perfect. Rings consistent.
Seal temp 180 degrees Celsius. Packets airtight.
Each chocolate-flavored brown condom is individually sealed in protective foil for freshness and safety.
Coating clear, vision system passing 99.9%. Traceability codes and final visual checks lock in quality for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
12-pack collation running smooth, no jams.
Packets are grouped into consumer-ready multi-packs for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Case 250 complete, ready for palletizing.
Finished products are securely cased, completing the main transformation into market-ready chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Interlayers auto-inserted. Compression test will pass easy.
Interlayers and careful layering ensure pallets of chocolate-flavored brown condoms arrive undamaged.
Stretch wrapping locks each pallet for safe transport of chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Vertical high bay storage maximizes space and traceability for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Deep lane shuttles optimize density in this high-tech warehouse for chocolate-flavored brown condoms. Stock for Q4 dispatch at 98% capacity. No bottlenecks. Central warehouse management system orchestrates every movement of chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Pallet retrieved. Matching dispatch order 4782. Female narrator. Smart retrieval system.
Automation bridges warehouse to logistics, readying chocolate-flavored brown condoms for global distribution.
Full load secured. Temperature set for transit. Copy. Heading out soon.
From tree to truck, high-tech systems ensure chocolate-flavored brown condoms reach customers perfectly.
Label alignment 100%. Scanner confirms readability.
Precision labeling adds the final professional touch to every case of chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Advanced vision systems verify packaging perfection for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Weight within spec, proceeding to final seal.
Every pallet is weighed to guarantee consistent quantity of chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Security bands applied. Tamper detection active.
Tamper-evident banding adds an extra layer of trust for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Aesthetic score 100%. Pallet cleared for storage.
AI-driven final aesthetics ensure every case looks premium.
RFID synced. Pallet ID 8924 logged.
Digital tracking confirms location and readiness for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Safe journey to rack. See you on dispatch.
Precision finished pallets now enter intelligent storage for chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Deep automated racking maximizes efficiency for chocolate-flavored brown condoms inventory.
Inventory refreshed. Ready for next order wave.
Live data keeps every chocolate-flavored brown condom traceable from finish to shipment. Precision finishing complete chocolate-flavored brown condoms are now ready for quality assurance and dispatch.
Batch 4047 samples received at starting sensory first. Dedicated quality control lab. Score 9.2 out of 10, no off flavors.
Thickness uniform, 0.70 millimeter accurate, dimensional pass.
Laser Precision verifies exact dimensions and uniform thickness in chocolate-flavored brown condoms. Material strength is proven far beyond requirements for reliable chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Burst volume 35 liters at 2.6 kPa. Superior performance.
Burst testing confirms the explosive strength.
Lubricant 420 milligrams, within optimal range, no migration issues.
Precise extraction quantifies lubricant to ensure lasting comfort in chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Key chocolate volatiles present at spec levels. Flavor stable.
GCMS confirms authentic chocolate aroma chemistry in chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Aging cycle complete. Tensile and aroma unchanged. Shelf life validated.
Cytotoxicity negative. Extractables below limits. Fully biocompatible.
Batch 47 fully certified, ready for release.
Comprehensive lab validation certifies every chocolate-flavored brown condom meets global quality standards.
Finished goods zone at 87% capacity. Dispatch queue active. Intelligent storage keeps chocolate-flavored brown condoms at peak condition until dispatch.
Order 4782 pallets retrieved. Moving to Dock 5.
Smart retrieval ensures the right pallets of chocolate.
Layer 5 secure, one more row. Copy. Final pallet coming.
Careful loading protects chocolate-flavored brown condoms during transit to distributors worldwide.
Seals applied. Manifest signed and synced.
Sealed and documented. Every load of chocolate-flavored brown condoms is secure for journey.
Dispatch 4782 rolling. ETA on schedule.
All clear here. Great shift.
Modern automation and precision keep chocolate-flavored brown condoms flowing efficiently.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate-flavored brown condoms from start to finish. A complete cycle of nature, science, and technology.
Transcription. From tree to trust. The story of chocolate-flavored brown condoms.
Thank you for watching.